Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need a ladder. Gaza Nation, when find the Gaza Station, welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase, and we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you to know to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like and a comment from the vlog in truth. New music alert, viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel have another new hit single. We have the official snippet, viewers and subscribers. Of course, we have the official snippet. And the one that look like it geared towards the ladies and the girlies them. And of course, the taxi man them will go pick them up and bring them from point A to point C, viewers and subscribers. The teachers say, yeah man, a whole heap of money. The Portmore girlies make taxi man them make, viewers and subscribers. Pick up your catty anywhere. The teacher say anywhere upon the island. As a matter of fact, let me go hear the snippet. Look and listen.
Over here, so Portmore running. They make the taxi driver, them make enough money. Pick up.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, the teacher continues to talk about some topic where some other people, I don't know, maybe they're not creative enough to really touch these topics, viewers and subscribers. But of course, we have to big up the Cabbies them. And I mean, we go some woman say, yo, the move, it needs to happen, you know what I mean? Pick up such and make sure you reach upon a destination. You understand me? Or when you say, alright, the rendezvous done, and we are leave the ramping shop, and we are say, yo, such and such, you know what I mean? Because, you know, we can't carry our vehicle because you don't know what a program and go on, what yeah, ball up on the youth them. And we have to just get a cab and make the cabby come pick her up and drop her back. You understand? Yeah, big them up. The teacher, viewers and subscribers continues to do it. And this look like a single that will be released soon, viewers and subscribers. So no official word if this is a single that will be on the album or this is just something for the fans, viewers and subscribers. Yes, something for the fans. You ever said this about the teacher? One thing about Vybz Kartel, him continues to give music for the fans, viewers and subscribers. Uplift, motivate, educate and inspire. The teacher continues to do that. Continue to touch upon some topic where, you know what I mean, people might discuss on a day to day, but there's no musical references of these topics. Remember when teachers say, yo, a car man, you know them money thoughts. So them change them like the auto parts. No rope. The taxi driver him stand a better chance. And it was a topic being discussed in the streets, of course, viewers and subscribers. Everybody that talk about it. But the teacher was one of the few artists. Big up the other artists, them would have songs about it. They have some big reggae artists that do some music. You know what I mean? They have that as a subtopic. But the teacher was one of the few artists in the entire island, in the entire genres of reggae and dancehall, for really make a song out of that topic, the viewers and subscribers. And the teacher touch another topic again right now. You know what I mean? Yes, the whole Uber vibe, the whole taxi vibe. Remember, man, if you big them up, at the GM go pick up the ladies and carry them from point A to point C. Man, stop, say it. And without the cabby, the majority of the time, you know there's something going in the streets. The thing couldn't really work. The thing couldn't really work, viewers and subscribers, without taxis and taxi services. Right now, are one of the modern luxuries where everybody and them friend use occasionally for one reason or another. Whether it party related, you go on event, or you go leave late, or is I get vex settings, and you know what I mean, me carry her out, and she decide say, yo, she nah go home with me, and she says, so woman, go on her bird, get a cab, you know what I mean? So it's a modern day luxury where everybody and them friend have used, you know what I mean, or have taken a taxi at least a couple of times in their life. All the people in born rich, you know, there's something go, you know what I mean? Well, few of them, some of them never have the necessity or the need to do it. But the teacher, one thing about the teachers, when it comes to subject matter, yes, we know the teacher have flow, yes, we know the teacher have creativity, but subject matter, songs with substance, something where I tell a story, something meaningful to other people, impactful to other people. The teacher continues to do that. Yes, people can make a fun song, creative. You can dance to it in the head and all a vibe, you know what I mean, for the party. But and then like you to listen it on your way home from the event. You will listen it while there and having a vibe. But and something where you're gonna listen and meditate upon. But the teacher drop music like this. Even if it's fun to listen at the party and all a vibe. On your way home, while they're listening to that track, you're gonna hear different gems in the music, historical references, you know what I mean? Different references. It might be historical, it might be scientific, it might be mathematical. We don't know. There will be references added, little gems in the music. You will hear certain things you probably never hear in the party while you all have vibe to the song. And it will be a song where you can listen even while not partying, even if it is a party song. The teacher dropped their rave. I'm gonna see people listen to that on the block. Party now go on, it's a vibe in my world to that track there. And of course, when we go out on a whole vibe, recently we didn't put on a whole vibe, viewers and subscribers are not normal. I mean, I tell you, all the teacher song we are listening to, them no must, man. And it's a different vibe, viewers and subscribers, from when they listen to the same song and hear the whole reason and the whole thing that the teacher talk about while they're up on the block are whole easy. And it's a whole different feeling when you listen to the teacher music. The same song, them, you know, in an event. Yeah, man. We talk about music with substance. That's what we mean, you know. Songs that will live on, yes. Meaning, say, you can make the song that year and next year people still listen to it. It's still hot. It might not current, but when people listen to it, them all have vibe. And you know what I mean? People different parts of the world still gravitate to it. And you know, probably even play a secular music same way, either upon television or, you know what I mean, upon the radio waves. And it is also songs that you can listen not only at a venue or an event, but you can also listen it at home. That's the meaning of songs with substance. It's not just about the melody and the beat. The lyrical composition, things where artists are say, it is very meaningful, impactful, as them would have said. You know what I mean? And then the subject matter is important or relatable to others. These are the things that make a song substantial in the viewers and subscribers. It's not about how creative or catchy the song was. That is a factor, and is a very important factor, of course, because the song cannot be a hit song without people like the sound, I'd like the flow, like the melody. But separate and apart from that are the things that we're going to make in that track that make it such a song that live on or stand out among other songs. Subject matter is definitely an important part. What you talk about in the song? Yeah. And is that subject matter relatable? Because you can get up right now and sing about let's say a luxury vehicle when nobody on the island now. And it can still become a hit song if you're a very creative artist. And people rate it. The teacher can do it. The teacher can sing about something where nobody at yard never experienced it and still word it and creatively phrase it and add other, you know what I mean, lyrical content to it to make it a hit song and people can still relate to the track. You have artists who can do it. But, talk the truth, for the artists, them not that creative. When you sing about something when nobody else can relate to, then how will that song be? You know what I mean? How would that become a song where be relatable? Or people where listen to the song can relate to if it's something that they have never experienced. It is different. If you tell them about an experience, you know what I mean? That is a vibe within itself. But teachers and artists where such subject matter viewers and subscribers that the audience can readily relate to. Readily. Them now if you say, yo, let me imagine what that is like. Some people might be doing that. But for our other demographic of people, as some of them live on a day to day, him say big up the girls them a Portmore. Big up the girls them a Portmore. Because yeah, I saw do it for ya. You know what I mean? A nice and easier on time. And then pick up the object and make the object reach it. I saw do with it. So you must have big up the people who are live this lifestyle. You know what I mean? People who are do this. And for those who are not living the lifestyle, well, them can imagine or live vicariously through the artist. Meaning said through the song, them can get an awareness or an understand or an overstanding. We are yardy. Let's keep the thing yardy. Or an overstanding of what is taking place and what it is like to live the lifestyle of these people, viewers and subscribers. The teacher continues to do it. continues to do it. Big up Adisha, the boss, the dancehall teacher. Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. No official word upon the name of this track. As soon as we hear that, we're going to make a hear what go on, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. By the one called Jaden Chase, viewers and subscribers. And we have just had another exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now. Yes, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, but click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and this is how you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is made available for you, viewers and subscribers. And also you can keep in tune with all other works them too. You know what I mean? The comment section, the 24/7 open, never lack yet. Just reminding you to be mindful of the guidelines. Yes. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions in the comment section. A like icon there as well. But a like on the blog for me, like where you hear. But a share as well. The share icon is there. So you can tell a friend, to tell their brother and them sister them about the reasoning, viewers and subscribers and about the channel. So until the reason again, you know my sentiments, phone and live, love and prosper until the reason again, fam. And now move settings.